Well, hey guys, have you ever got into redesigning existing landscaping? Well, that's what I'm going to get into today. I'm up at my dad's, as you can see, so hang on and I'll show you what I'm getting ready to get into. So that's the fun part about landscaping, is besides designing something new, repurposing some of the old. So anyway guys, you know me, let's get busy. Alright, so I got the area all cleaned out, kind of did a rough leveling. I'm going to reset the pedestals, work on with the level just to get them pretty close, and then we'll lay the material down and then we'll start rebuilding. So this is some old landscaping felt. I would rather be using geotextile. What I'm going to do is I want to double this, and hopefully that'll work good long term. Again, I'm just repurposing. This is leftovers. Well, hey guys, got pulled away yesterday, so fast forward to the next day, picking up where I left off. I'm going to start dry stacking the rock and build the mound again around it, and then getting ready to put the pebble stone inside. So, you know me guys, let's get back busy. So when this was originally built, there was a lot more rocks needed because all the bottom had the rocks in it as well. Since I'm transitioning to the pebble stone, I'm going to have this much left over, and I have a need for these somewhere else. So once again, I'm going to be repurposing stuff we already have. Well, hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute and show you the final reveal on this. Now, this is something that my dad put together years and years ago, and just wanted to revitalize it because, you know, he built this and this was his idea originally. So I just kind of modernized it a little bit, and more than anything made it hopefully maintenance free, and keep it from having all the weeds grow up through it. So anyway, I think it turned out real nice. Hope you guys enjoyed, and guys, just remember, here at Project Next One, there is always one more, so keep an eye out. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Thanks.